Can anybody tell me what that noise is? It initially starts when I turn on my car, and it goes away as soon as it warms up. You guys hear that? That rattling noise? I'm hitting the gas and I don't know what the heck that noise is. I have no idea. I've been trying to figure it out. I've taken to my mechanic twice, and no one's been able to figure out what the heck that noise is. Third gear. So one for first, second, third, first, fourth gear, and then it just goes away after I'm in fourth and fifth. And then after that, as soon as my engine cools or heats up, and goes to about 194 to 205, that's when that noise goes away and I completely don't hear it anymore. And I have no clue what the heck that noise is. I've been trying to figure it out for the past like month, and I need some help. Anybody have input?